Hi, it's Claire from Harvest Looms, and here we're going to take a little tour of one of the very many 62 actually weaving collectives in Latvia. This one is in Ventspils, a city on the coast, and here we have some of the products that they make and they have on display right when you walk in. Very nice and roomy workshop, at least 20 looms. As you can see, mostly at least four shaft looms. And you can see some other things on display. When I was there, it was a weekend. So there wasn't the weavers, but there was actually a knitting workshop because normally all these looms would have a woman sitting at them. As you can see, there's always continuous projects on most of them. And here we also, when we were there was two ladies that were warping. One was warping a rag and the other one for blankets. Blankets are very popular as well as rugs. Here's some blankets. But what is a famous love, at least for me, is the belts in Latvia. The beautiful belts. It's one of the last things that was an important part of the folk costumes. And here you also have some folk costumes that they'll be wearing for their celebrations. So please, if you'd like to join us in weaving in the Baltics, come visit us, Harvest Looms, and we do tours and workshops.